Once upon a time, there was this girl by the name of Jody. So she woke up one morning very early and she decided that something was wrong. She wasn't getting the life that she wanted. This big old couch was just there. The couch that her mother has and she doesn't want to throw it out. But then she was thinking, there's something that I can do. She started sleeping. She started twisting and turning in her sleep. It was almost like a nightmare. Or maybe what was it? Or is it? Was it a nightmare? Maybe not. But then she got up and she started twerking. And then she just, okay, I got an idea. Let's get this
Really
slipcover,
that.
and the rest is history. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this is not a makeup, this is not a hair tutorial or any of that. I wanted to do something different on my channel, and since I'm kind of into this, yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. My mom has an old couch and she doesn't want to get rid of it, mainly because she said, "I don't have any money to do that." Yeah, doesn't have money and all that. She doesn't want to waste money and stuff like that. But this slipcover is from Amazon, Aliexpress. You can get them. This one is very premium, guys. It is elastic, it is slip resistant, it is wrinkle free. You can wash it and it doesn't have any wrinkles. Yeah, it's just very nice. Yeah, and it's water resistant, so that's pretty good. I think it works very well. I'm also going to be using this sofa mat. It's not really a sofa mat per se, but you can use it as a sofa mat. You can use it as a like a mat for your house or your bedroom. You could use it. Yeah, it's just a multi-purpose mat you can use. So I'm just showing you how you can apply it to the couch, and then we're gonna use some throw pillows, some old regular throw pillows. They're a little bit different from the fur mat, but in terms of the color, but it's fine. Make sure that if you're ordering this, you order the same color. But yeah, this is what we're going to apply to this chair. If you are interested in this type of cover, it's on AliExpress. This one is not like the cheap $20 one. It's like maybe for like 45 US, 35, 45 US. Yeah, but this is really nice. It's like water resistant, it's like as I said before, slip resistant, wrinkle free, and it's just perfect. And yeah, I love it. Yes, does the job really well. So as you can see, I'm applying it, but guess what, I'm not applying it properly. Am I? No, I'm not applying it properly. So I'm just gonna apply it properly and just show you how it is actually done. And it has like guidelines. You can look at it like the arms. Yeah, it has like that section where the arms of the chair go in, so you don't have to worry about whether or not it's going to be difficult for you, because as you can see, I did it by myself and it didn't take like 10 minutes. It took less than 10 minutes, so you don't have to worry. So I'm just gonna apply it and you're just gonna watch, and then as soon as I'm finished applying it, I'm just gonna come back to you to shut up, door. Shut up. I thought the door I'm just to make one bag at it nice. Anyway, so I'm just gonna apply it so you can see it, and I'll come back to you soon. Okay, guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm using the sofa mat to cover the seat of the couch, but really I don't want any fur on my booty, so I'm just going to take that off later on and show you how I do it. But you could also put it on the seat if you are into like fur seat and all of that. But the seat is already I think pretty soft. The sponges in the couch, the seat is already pretty soft. So what I want to do though, like when you're sitting, you want your when you rest your head at the back of the couch, you want it to be, you know, nice and comfortable. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it at the back of the couch, and also because this couch there are cushions on the couch, and it wasn't looking too, you know, it's a little bit bumpy where the slip cover is. So I kind of want to, you know, cover that too. So I'm just gonna apply it, as you can see right there, just for comfort, you know what I'm saying. We're not gonna overdo. I could, because I had like cushions that I could throw on the chair, but I'm not gonna apply too many cushions because I don't want to overkill it, because it's just too much fur. Yeah, and I didn't want to like apply more cushions onto the chair, but I'm gonna apply that, make sure I push in different sections and so forth. Yeah, I hope my booty didn't distract you, but yeah. And right there where the slip cover is kind of slipping up, I think I pulled the slip cover too much. I pushed it in too much. So if you're applying it, just make sure that the elastic like part, it's pushed under the couch and not, you know, you don't push it too much, so you can hide the fact that, yeah. So now I'm getting my throw pillows, and I'm just applying two because I don't want to overdo it. Yeah, I don't want to overdo it. Sometimes I'm wondering, like, why do people put so many pillows on their couch? Because it's like too much. Yeah, but as you can see, these pillows are actually like cream beige, you know, sense. Not fully beige, but they're not totally white, like half white. So yeah, I changed the slip cover and I change it to a half white, but you're not really seeing that on camera because you're it almost looked the yeah, it looks a little better now. I think you can see it, but the the uh the mat is a little bit, the white, oh, the bigger mat is a little bit, it's white, and the other one is half white, and the pillows are half white. So just make sure if you're getting like pillows, you get, yeah. But I just wanted to show you how, you know, just acting like pretending as if I'm talking to somebody, just living on my couch, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and I'm just gonna show you that it doesn't wrinkle. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just watching YouTube and so forth. So you can see, and can you see, do you see the amount of wrinkle that I got by living on the sofa? Yeah, and then you just take your hands and push it in and just brush it off and you're good to go. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you another one. This chair is like maybe 25 years old, as old as me. Yeah, pretty old, but that's my mom. She likes to store old stuff because she's from the, yes. She's just old. I think she likes to hang on to old stuff because they remind her of where she's coming from. Yeah, but I'm going to fix this too. I'm going to like renovate it, so this could be like an accent chair. If you don't want to spend your money to buy an accent chair, just use your regular dining table chair and put like a fur mat on it. Put it in your bedroom, put it in your living room, and you're good to go. Why then do you make so much noise? But yeah, you're good to go. And guys, that's pretty much it. And I'm just gonna act a fool right now because I'm crazy. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something. I hope it was good and all of that. Had fun creating this video. It was so cool, like out of the whole makeup vibe and into this different kind of vibe. And it's cool. I like this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.